Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva for virtual assistants. First, navigate to canva.com and sign up for a free or pro account. The pro version unlocks many more features, like brand kits and advanced templates, which are incredibly useful for client work. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the layout and available design types. This initial step is crucial for understanding the platform's capabilities. Canva provides an extensive library of templates for almost any design need, from social media graphics to business presentations. You can easily customize these templates by changing colors, fonts, and images to match your client's brand. The drag-and-drop interface makes it simple to add elements, ensuring a smooth design process. Don't forget to use the brand kit feature in Canva Pro to keep all client branding consistent. As a virtual assistant, you'll find Canva invaluable for many tasks. You can quickly design eye-catching social media content, including Instagram stories and Facebook posts that align with client branding. It's also perfect for creating professional presentations, reports, and even simple logos. Imagine crafting a cohesive visual identity for your clients, all within one intuitive platform. This versatility makes Canva a powerful tool for any VA. To maximize your efficiency, always organize your designs and client assets using folders within Canva. Creating reusable templates for common requests, like weekly social media posts or monthly reports, will save you significant time. Remember to utilize the brand kit feature to maintain consistent branding across all client projects. For even more helpful resources and deals, including that link for darn tough socks, make sure to check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.